it exploded again. It's brown. So since there's no electricity, I'll have to cook here again in my wood stove. It's so hot. So good morning, welcome to It's Next Life, my daily vlogs. So masakit sa bata. The smoke gets into my eyes and it hurts. So that's life. If you noticed, every time, if you notice in my previous videos, I always just fry here in my wood stove because that is the easiest ulam I can cook here, and there's no so much fancy, just a simple life and normal life. The sounds of sizzling from the frying fish and the hot from the wood stove. Wow, what a life. Also, since we don't have electricity today, I have to cook this na, since we cannot store it in the freezer because it will get spoiled. But if you like this kind of video, you can subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.